Hi everyone, welcome to Garage B. My name's Carl and these are the one-piece indicators. Thank you so much for the massive support. After nearly 1 year development, they are finally finished. Jeremy from Nasty Addiction Garage will doing a tutorial video soon, but since then many people keeping asking us how to install them. We're doing a quick tutorial now. Let's get into it. Included are the indicators themselves and the LED compatible replacement flasher. Since there are so many different plugs out there, depending on the revision and the region, we cannot provide the correct one for every setup. The harness has 3 wires, yellow for turn signal, black for ground and red for side light. You can connect the wire in different ways, either by pinning the original plug, cutting and soldering it, or using cable tap. Our Japan import REV4 Turbo has got a plug like this. We cut off the old harness and soldered the new one in. White with a black stripe is ground, solid green is the turn signal, and green with red stripe is the park light. Use a plastic trim tool to remove the reflector. Be gentle so you don't break it. Then take a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw. Now you can easily take out the original turn signal and unplug it. Use the screw to help pull out the clip from the front bumper. Now plug in the prepared wire from the new indicator. Install it the same way you removed it. Insert the indicator screw into the clip you pulled out earlier. And secure it with a plastic nut. The flasher located in the cockpit next to the clutch pedal above the fuse box. Put out the OEM flasher and put the new LED flasher in. That's it. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your new indicators.